All right, guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If you're new, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Now, I'm not going to talk your ear off too much because I want to show you guys the actual footage. I recently just came across a YouTube channel, and they're loading up really first-person point of view of a rider, and he ended up getting into a really good chase. Usually, we see it from the perspective of law enforcement in the dash cam, and anybody with a fast bike, typically the lights go up and they disappear, and really the chase is about 30 seconds. We never really get a glimpse as to what it's like from the rider's perspective. So let's take a look at that kind of footage. At this point, if someone sees this, usually they're crapping their pants. They pretty much slow up and try and take the next exit to get out of here. Not this guy. The rider ends up getting off the highway, and this is how it continues. And there you have it, guys. Definitely make sure you go check out his YouTube channel. He has 2 other videos with this kind of perspective, and you kind of get a really good idea of what it's like to be on the bike as the rider, and really just how fast these damn things are. I mean, it is really hard for law enforcement to capture anybody with this kind of a bike that is this fast. And according to his YouTube titles, it's even modified. It's got more horsepower than what it, comes out of factory with. So this guy knows how to ride. He knows, what to do. It appears as though he knows the roads and everything. So it's really difficult to bring down someone that, number 1, has the driving skills, number 2, knows the roads, and number 3, has a modded bike that really can accelerate the lightest speed here. So either way, I figured that you guys would be interested in this type of video because, like I said, we're always watching the dash cam footage from law enforcement, and really any bike that has a little bit of speed, we only get to see really like 30 seconds of it, a minute of it, and then it's just poof, into the dark, and it's law enforcement basically just, chasing a ghost at that point. So definitely an interesting perspective. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm always interested to hear what you have to say, and I'll catch you on the next upload.